Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on MoonPay with debit card easily. Open the MoonPay app on your device. Use the search bar to find Bitcoin BTC and tap on it to start the purchase. Enter the amount you want to buy either in your local currency or in Bitcoin. Tap Continue to proceed. You may be asked to verify your phone number. Complete the verification to move forward. On the checkout screen, select your payment method and choose debit card. Enter your card details carefully, including the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Ensure the card is active and belongs to you. Next, complete your KYC, Know Your Customer, verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload any required documents or photos. This step ensures your transaction is secure. Review all details and confirm your purchase. Once the transaction is complete, your Bitcoin will be sent directly to your MoonPay wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.